Hi to all, welcome to Shravani Android tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of Android and history of Android. First of all, when we learn any language, we'll get a question like what is that Android, what is that language. Similarly here, what is Android? Android is a software stack for mobile devices. Mobile devices means smartphones, tablets, etc., which includes an operating system, middleware, and some key applications. Operating system is a Android is runs on a kernel based operating system. Middleware means it consists of all libraries, packages, classes, etc., some key applications, the applications which we use in our mobiles like phone, contacts, call log, messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Or we can tell the definition like that: Android is a operating system or platform for mobile devices. And Android was developed by a author Andy Rubin. He is a first developer of Android. The history of Android. Android versions are very interesting to know. The versions are ranging from 8 to currently now the version is a O. These versions are based on a food items. First the A means Astro, B blender, cupcake, donut, and now the current version is a Oreo. So let us understand the Android history in a sequence. First, initially I already told that Android was developed by the author Andy Rubin. He is from California, and in 2005 Google has acquired this Android. And originally, first of all, this Android was intended for camera, but in the market it was not populated, so they shifted from smartphones. And Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin, given by co-workers because of his love to robots. Andy Rubin author loves the robot, so Android droid is the robo name, Andy is the author name. So they combined those two words and they named as a Android. In 2007, Google announces the development of Android OS. In 2008, HTC, this is the first mobile, launches the Android operating system. And what are the advantages of Android? Why Android gets more populated in industry or in market? Because the main biggest reason is it is a open source, means we can free to use the Android applications. Any user can download the applications from Play Store. He can use it without of any cost. And the reason is a mobile manufacturers, means HTC, all mobile manufacturers can easily adapt Android OS into their mobiles. If you develop any OS and release it into a market, they can have a doubt that whether it is populated or not. But in case of Android OS, already it was populated, so they can it is a free open source and they can use and populate it into a market. So this is a reason to use the mobile manufacturers and users. And next one is it is a platform independent user. It supports the Android developers can develop the Android applications in every operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux. And the next is supports various technologies. It supports a camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, speech, edge technologies. All it supports. Highly optimized virtual machine. Android OS consists of a Dalvik virtual machine, which converts our input operations into a machine language, and it optimizes to a very optimized data, because mobile devices stores the low amount of memory, so for low management it optimizes all the data. So this is the reason. Does Android supports other languages than Java? Yes, it supports C and C++. Using these and native development kit, we can develop the Android apps, but we familiar with Java, that's why go for Android SDK. Thank you. And next session we are going to discuss about installation of Android, and what how to install a Android SDK into our PC, and we are going to discuss about the what is the structure of Android and everything. Thank you for watching this video.